Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Karenina and this space is all about mindful living, general well-being and healthy food. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make Mexican tuna salad. I decided to make this recipe two ways. One, the normal Mexican way as I'm used to, and the second one is a vegan version just because I've recently decided to stop eating meat, not necessarily fish. However, I decided to try the vegan version just to see how it tasted and to see whether it's an alternative that I would like to keep embracing. So why don't you try them both and let me know in the comments down below which one you like the most. I would love to see your comments. So without further ado, let me show you how to make it. Okay, so for this recipe we're going to need all of our ingredients diced, as well as our tinned products drained and rinsed. We will need half a medium onion, about 1 to 2 tomatoes, some jalapeno peppers, as well as 1 bell pepper, 3 tablespoons of capers, 1 lime, pepper, salt, mixed vegetables, as well as some sweet corn. If you are doing the tuna version, you will need 1 tin of tuna just drained. And if you are making the vegan version, you will need 1 tin of chickpeas. Just make sure you reserve the aquafaba, which is the liquid the chickpeas come in case you want to make another recipe. Of course, we will need regular mayonnaise for the tuna version, as well as vegan mayonnaise for the vegan version. And now we are going to start by mixing all the vegetables in a bowl. Because I'm making both versions, I decided to mix all the vegetables first and then just separate the portions. Now just season with some salt, pepper and the lime, making sure you catch the seeds, and give it a good mix. Now I am reserving some of that mixture just because this is a new version for me, so I decided to give it a go with a small portion first. So in the big bowl I am going to make the tuna version. So go ahead and put the tuna in. As for the vegan version, get a bowl and those chickpeas and start mashing them up just so that they get the texture of the tuna. As you can see, I only used half of the chickpeas just because I had a small portion of vegetables. And now in with the mayo. Just because I really enjoyed the regular mayonnaise, I put 5 tablespoons of mayo to this portion that I had. You can use as much or as little as you like. And now for the vegan version, I just eyeball it to the amount of vegetables and chickpeas that I had. I've never tried the vegan mayo before, so I decided just to start with a little bit and just try it. I personally prefer the tuna version, but that's just because I am most familiar with this. But both versions work well and they are delicious. Alright everyone, so I really hope that you enjoyed this recipe, and if you did, please make sure to give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel so that you don't miss any upcoming videos. I am happy that you were here with me today, and until my next video, stay strong, healthy and happy.